bad. No, wait, I'm just saving this because it's really funny. Or I'll show your mom.
No!
I'll get Kayla hitting Amanda repeatedly.
She hit me. Mama, she hit me.
But you hit her too.
Yeah.
I'm not sending this to your mom. Oh my gosh.
Mom, she hit me.
I'm not sending it to your mom.
Mom,
You put Satan's cross on her leg.
I didn't mean to. I didn't know what Satan's cross because I'm not a Satan woman.
I'm not going to. I was kidding.
Jesus, please. Just
You better get down on your knees and pray after you did that. That's wrong. Okay.
Jesus, God.